Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay on YouTube. So what you want to do, just go ahead and open up a video that you want to disable the autoplay for. So let's say I open up this video right here. And once the video is on, what you're going to see here on this page is that at the bottom of the video, you will see the option for autoplay. Normally this is on, and as you can see at the bottom right, it says autoplay is off, but by default, it would most likely be on. And so you want to toggle this feature on or off. It doesn't matter for which video you do it for, it will apply for all videos on YouTube. So you just need to open a video and you turn off this feature. What does the autoplay feature actually does? It basically disable or it basically prevents any suggested or related video from playing after this one finishes. So this applies for all videos that you're going to watch on YouTube. So if you don't want to have that feature on, you can easily toggle it off so that you have the autoplay off and that won't happen. So that's pretty much it. If you don't want related or suggested videos played after a video that you click to watch, turn off the autoplay and that will not affect you going forward when you're watching videos on YouTube. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.